vertex form. We're going to solve it in vertex form, not vortex form. And by that, this means in a sense that it's kind of like completing the square type of a thing. We have the quantity x minus 5 squared equals 121. So here, because this x minus 5 is in parentheses, I'm not going to add 5 first. I need to get rid of the squared first. Well, how did I get rid of squared when it was just an x squared? I square rooted. So I'm going to do the same thing. So I'm going to take this 121 here and basically square root it. But don't forget, you could have a positive one or a negative one. And so what happens here is this. Now I have this x minus 5 equals 11. So what I'm going to do is this. Separate it, because what I have are two answers. X minus 5 equals 11 or x minus 5 equals negative 11. Because remember, you have a positive 11 or negative 11. So now I have to separate them into two problems. I'm going to add 5 to both. Well, 11 plus 5 is 16, but negative 11 plus 5 is negative 6. So my answer to this equation is positive 16 and negative 6, two distinct answers. So over here, the whole quantity is being squared first. So the first thing I need to do then is basically square root each side. So if I square root each side, I'm going to get a positive or negative 12 for 144, and the square root is going to go away here. But that means I have two possible answers, one for a positive 12 and one for a negative 12. So I'm going to go ahead and minus 9 here, which makes negative 21. Oh, kind of got ahead of myself. Popped in a little bit ahead of time, but that's okay. Because negative 21 divided by 3. So one answer is negative 7, but I'm not done, because the second answer is 12 minus 9, which is 3, divided by 3, which is 1. So there are two distinct answers for these. And it is possible that you may get some irrational square roots with like some plus or minus, like 2 square roots of 2 or something. So this was just a sample one. Show how if you have it in the parentheses, square root the whole quantity of each side first.